If you have multiple things going on over and over again, you can simply use something called favorites to save time. So let's say I have to edit this audio right here. Let's see how that sounds. This is an audio recording test. So I want to convert this into something like a telephone pitch. In order to do that, I can simply use something called a preset, which is available with Adobe Audition. That is available under the favorites menu right here. You can also access the favorites by going on to window and going on to favorites. So you can see that the favorite is here. So I can simply expand this out. So I'm just going to click and drag, and you can see that these are the favorites that I have. So here you can see that there's telephone voice, and you can see that the effects of FFT filter has been applied and the final selection has been applied. So let me just double click this and see how it works. So I'm just gonna double click this, and you can see that the effect has been applied. Now let's hear how that sounds.
This is an audio recording test.
So that's how the effect has been applied. And the good thing is you can also create your own audio effect right here. So I just undid that. So what I want to do is create my own audio effect itself. So in order to do that, I can go into Windows right here. Like favorite right here, and start recording favorite. Or I can also press the record button. So I'm going to press the record button. I'm going to press OK. So now it has started recording a favorite for me. So what I can do is I can apply multiple effects at a multiple level so that if I want to repeat that, I can simply click one button. So now I'm gonna use a vocal enhancer. So I'm gonna go into effects right here. Gonna go into let's say onto specials, and gonna go into vocal enhancer. I'm gonna apply male once. So let's hear how that sounds. This is an audio recording test. And the other thing that I want to do is, let's say I want to reduce the noise. So I want to have adaptive noise reduction, and just apply that out, right? This is an audio recording test. And the other thing that I want to do is add in an echo. So add in an reverb. So I'm going to go into reverb, and I go for a studio reverb right here, and I'm going to say vocal reverb medium and apply. So let us hear how that sounds. This is an audio recording test. All right, so let me just increase that in size. And once I'm happy with what I have, I'm simply going to press stop, and it'll ask me what I want to name that. So I'm going to say vocal enhancing. All right, enhancement. All right, so I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to press OK, and you can see that the vocal enhancement has been applied, and it has been saved over here, and you can see that these are the actions which will actually be saved. This is an audio recording test. So if I want to create a new audio, so I'm going to go over here, go into a new audio file right here, create a new audio file, and I'm going to record another audio. So this is another audio recording that I have. I'm going to try with the favorites that I just created. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go on to my favorites right here, and I want to enable this. I can double click this, or I can press the play button, that is run the selected favorite. So it'll go through all of these settings right there for me. So let me just press play. So it is processing, as you can see, applying all the effects for me, and the effects has been applied. So let us hear how that sounds now. So this is another audio recording that I have. I'm going to try with the favorites that I just created. So you can see that the audio effects that I chose actually got applied one by one, and I didn't have to actually do it manually. So you can use favorites to save up some things that you keep on doing, so that later on you can simply just press the play button right here and run the command just like that. So that is how you can use presets and favorites inside of Adobe Audition. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.